Hi, hello, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see about Twiddle factor matrix for n is equal to 8. This is going to be the shortcut for the remembrance of the matrix. We shall move into the slide. Okay, let's see what is meant and what are the formula for discrete Fourier transform. So x of k is equal to summation of small n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 into small x of n into e power minus j 2 pi kn by capital N. So here you can see the value of k and actually this is the common term for k. So this is not only the common term for k but it is also for small n. So we know that capital N is equal to 8. Now we shall see how we are going to find the Twiddle matrix. So Wn is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by capital N. So this is the Twiddle factor value. Then now how we are going to substitute and get these matrices sets? It's nothing taking k value as your rows and n value as your columns. Substituting first n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How do we take 7? It's nothing, n minus 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 extends up to n minus 1. So n value is 8. 8 minus 1 will be 7. So up to 7. The same way k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. As you see in here, you're just going to multiply k and n and you're going to give a subscript for w. So 0 into 0 makes 0 and your n value doesn't change. For every w, there's going to be the 8 will be the subscript of w. Just multiply 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0 into 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, etc. You will get w is to 8 to the power 49. This is going to be your final matrix set. Then just take 8 quadrants. Quadrant number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, how do we get the value for these? You know, we are just going to take x axis as real term and y axis as imaginary term. But how do we get these values? How do we get these values? Just taking like this. 1, 1 and this is going to be your y. That's it. It's just a very easy job to find this. Then this is going to be a positive and positive negative. As this comes under the fourth quadrant, your x will be positive and your y will be negative. So y we are taken as imaginary and x is real. Same as here, this is going to be in the third quadrant. So third quadrant, x-axis minus and y-axis also going to be in minus. And here we are seeing minus and minus. Again minus and minus. Actually this is minus and plus. That's it. So this is our values. We are just going to substitute. First of all, how we are going to mark it? Starting from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again W power 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So just go on number it like this. After getting those numberings, just substitute the respective W value over there. If look over here, W is to 8 to the power 0, value is 1. So for all values of 0, that is from this whole line, I think this is whole row and this whole column is going to be 1. Shall we check? Yes, this whole row and whole column is 1. Then look, then omega 1 is to 8 is going to be this value. So check here. 1 we having only one value here. So just substitute this 0.707 minus j 0.707 in omega is to 1. Just do as directed. Substitute each and every value into the general matrix format. You will get a beautiful matrix for Twiddle factor matrix for n is equal to 8.